When we think about eye exams, most of us imagine checking vision, updating glasses, or making sure we're not developing nearsightedness. But what many people don't realize is that our eyes are one of the most powerful windows into our overall health. They are the only place in the body where a doctor can directly see blood vessels, nerves, and tissue without surgery. And because of that, the eyes can reveal signs of health problems long before symptoms appear anywhere else. So, can your eyes actually tell you what's happening inside your body? Surprisingly, yes, often more than you expect. One of the clearest examples is diabetes. Before a person even knows they're diabetic, an eye doctor may detect tiny leaks or changes in the blood vessels at the back of the eye, a condition known as diabetic retinopathy. These changes don't hurt, and many people don't notice anything unusual at first. But through an eye exam, the early damage becomes visible. This means the eyes can offer a warning sign, giving someone a chance to manage the disease before it harms the rest of the body. Another condition that can be detected early through the eyes is high blood pressure. When blood pressure rises, the small vessels in the retina can become stiff, twisted, or narrowed. Sometimes small areas of bleeding appear. These changes can show up even when a person feels completely fine. In some cases, an eye exam is the first sign that someone's blood pressure is dangerously high and needs urgent care. Your eyes can also reflect the health of your immune system. Inflammation inside the eye called uveitis can be linked to autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, or Crohn's disease. In fact, for some people, eye inflammation appears months or years before other symptoms begin. Detecting this early can lead to faster diagnosis and more effective treatment. And it doesn't stop there. High cholesterol can show up as yellowish deposits in the eyelids or as a pale blue ring around the cornea, especially in younger people. While these signs don't always mean danger, they can be a red flag that the body is struggling to manage fat in the bloodstream. Even thyroid problems can reveal themselves through the eyes. People with hyperthyroidism, especially Graves' disease, may notice their eyes looking wider or more bulging due to inflammation around the muscles behind the eyes. Sometimes dryness, redness, or difficulty closing the eyes fully can be early clues. Your eyes can even reflect your brain health. The optic nerve which connects the eye to the brain is actually part of the central nervous system. Swelling of this nerve, called papilledema, can indicate increased pressure in the brain. This can be linked to infections, head injuries, or even tumors. While rare, it shows just how much the eyes can reveal about the body's most vital systems. Something as simple as dry eyes might also say more about your health than you expect. While dryness can come from screen use or weather, it can also be associated with hormonal changes, vitamin deficiencies, or autoimmune conditions like Sjogren's syndrome. Paying attention to these small signs can help you catch issues early. And then there's jaundice, a condition where the whites of the eyes turn yellow. This happens when there's an issue with the liver, gallbladder, or pancreas. While most people think of jaundice in newborns, adults can develop it too, often as a sign of hepatitis, bile duct problems, or alcohol-related liver disease. Of course, not every change in the eye signals a serious medical problem. Sometimes redness is just irritation. Sometimes blurriness is simply a need for glasses. But the point is this: the eyes are deeply connected to the rest of the body, and they often reveal problems before any other part does. This is why regular eye exams are far more important than most people realize. Even if your vision seems perfectly fine, an eye exam can uncover hidden issues, problems that might be preventable if detected early. In many cases, your eye doctor may be the first person to notice early warning signs of chronic conditions that affect your heart, your metabolism, and your immune system. So the next time you look in the mirror, take a moment to appreciate your eyes. They don't just help you see the world, they also help you understand what's happening inside your own body.